Good morning, guys. Today is April 22, 2025, and we are here my at Malaumawan, Don Picasso Sands Resort. Yan, nag-overnight ako dito sa resort ng aking former high school student si Marieta Manalang. Mariet, thank you so much for free overnight stay in your resort. O, di ba? Sharing of blessing ni Marieta Manalang. Thank you, Mariet. Yan. Very nice accommodation. Yan. Yes. Yan ang aking mga dalawang magagandang pamangkin. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Yay! Yan, 'di ba? Ang gaganda namin. Mana sa lola. Sa lola tita. Bye everyone. Uwi na kami.
Bye-bye.